A socket set, complete with a ratchet and various sizes of detachable sockets, is always useful to have on hand. Whether you're working on your car, motorcycle, or other projects, you will likely soon find yourself in need of one. We put together a list of the 10 best socket sets and outlined what to look for. After all, if you don't own a socket set, you probably should. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best socket sets from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Tekton 3/8 Drive 6-point Socket and Ratchet Set. This 47-piece set has a 3/8-inch drive, which is the ideal size for most of your round-the-house or basic automotive projects. It comes in both standard and deep lengths for SAE and metric sockets, and includes the complete series from 5/16 to 3/4 inches and 8 to 19 millimeters. It has 2 extension bars for tricky areas, and a universal joint in case a bolt is at a weird angle. The 90-tooth ratchet is more precise than many others on this list, so it does not need to be swung far to work. This makes it useful for cramped areas. Even with all these features, this is a compact set that doesn't have extra pieces you may never use. If you want a basic set that covers everyday vehicle repairs and projects, this is a good set to have on hand. Number 2. Dual Mechanics Tool Set. This 205-piece set contains 62 sockets in both SAE and metric sizing. It comes with 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and a 1/2 inch drive, in case you need that extra torque that most socket sets don't give you. The 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drive sizes also include deep sockets for reaching tight places, and extension bars for even trickier spots. There is also a 1/2 inch drive extension bar, for added reach without sacrificing torque. The set also includes a bit driver with 33 bits, so if you don't have a screwdriver set on hand, you can still continue with your project. And with 28 hex keys. Number 3. Egefin 1/4 Ratchet and Socket Set. This 1/4 inch drive socket set includes 10 metric sockets, and an extension bar for hard-to-reach places. The sockets measure from 4 mm to 13 mm. To keep the sockets together and organize, they snap securely into the plastic holder. The ratchet has 24 teeth, meaning it needs to swing about 15 degrees to be used, so in a super tight space, it may get tricky. This is by no means an extensive toolset, but if you're just looking for a couple of basic uses for your socket set, this one is inexpensive, contains basic sizes, and fits in well in the toolbox. Number 4. Dual Mechanics Toolkit and Socket Set. With 108 pieces, this socket set will cover most of your garage project needs. In addition to a wide array of 3/8 and 1/4 inch drive size sockets, it also includes a 22-piece bit set, and 2 sets of 14 hex keys, both standard and metric. Although it may not cover every project under the sun, it has enough tools for most of the things you will run into when working on your car. Most reviews highlight how firmly the pieces fit in the case. You don't have to worry about anything falling out when you open the container, which saves time and makes it easy for you to find the right tool. Plus, this set is covered by a full lifetime warranty by the manufacturer. Number 5. Stanley 40-piece Socket Set. This is one of the smaller socket sets on this list, so if you're wanting to do a variety of extensive projects, this may not be what you're looking for. However, smaller set also means that you're not lugging around or paying for tools that will lay untouched for years. And 40 pieces still gets you a lot of variety, including 15 and 1/4 inch drive sockets, 14 and 3/8 inch drive sockets, a 1/4 inch drive socket driver handle with several bits, and more. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.